Eastern white pine wood. Eastern white pine, Pinus strobus, Pineceae, is a versatile timber with a wide range of uses. The heartwood ranges in color from pale yellow to a light red-brown, and is occasionally marked by fine brown lines of resin ducts. The grain is typically straight and even, and the growth rings are difficult to discern. The texture of the wood is uniform and medium. Eastern white pine is suitable for furniture, joinery, and construction, and can be sourced from sustainable and legal sources. Material type softwood. Also called white pine, northern white pine, spruce pine, Quebec pine, Weymouth pine. Properties. Eastern pine is soft and light and is weak in all the strength categories. Eastern white pine is not suitable for steam bending. Eastern white pine works well with both machine and hand tools, and has only a slight blunting effect on tooling. Yellow pine planes easily, giving a smooth finish. It molds, drills, mortises, glues, carves, nails, and screws well. Eastern white pine responds well to sanding and accepts paint and varnish well. If left untreated, it weathers to a light gray. Moisture content guide, 10 to 18% for KD plus or minus 2%. Color and appearance. Heartwood is a light brown, sometimes with a slightly reddish hue. Sapwood is a pale yellow to nearly white. Color tends to darken with age. Grain and texture. Grain is straight with an even medium texture. Workability. Eastern white pine is easy to work with both hand and machine tools. Glues and finishes well. Typical uses. Crates, interior millwork, construction lumber, carving, boat building, furniture, flooring, paneling, trim, musical instruments, veneer, crates, boxes, and pallets. Pricing and availability. Eastern white pine is widely harvested for construction lumber. Prices should be moderate for a domestic softwood. Comments. Eastern white pine is one of the most common and widely used timbers for construction lumber in the Northeast United States. It's one of the 3 primary commercial species of white pine, with the other 2, sugar pine and western white pine, being found on the west coast. The long, straight trunks of eastern white pine were once prized for use as shipmasts. The King of England's aggravating habit of marking out and reserving all the biggest and best of these trees for use in his navy led to the Pine Tree Riot of 1772 and played a role in the events leading up to the Revolutionary War. Thanks for watching.